guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Welcome to my bands onto TV. It's the Nedbank Cup. Kaizer Chiefs 1, Stellenbosch 2. I'm joined by Fan Mabrade Kamabanu Puma Wupi.
Very Tado, ne?
Yeah.
Skip.
Yeah.
Mera Steve.
Ukalangan.
How can you change if you Msitlanga if it?
I don't understand.
What's awful?
Yes.
I don't leak if it.
It's knockout.
What's awful?
It's knockout.
You understand?
It's a knockout.
Uchichelano Steve of it.
Cedric Cars.
Uchichelano Steve of it.
It's Cedric Cars.
Because if best was to get Mtlanga in front of
Yeah.
at least Miss Kavil up.
That's so we.
Uchichelano Steve of it.
It's Cedric Cars.
No, for the Shung of Steve. Uchichelano for the
It's Cedric Cars.
I'm Steve was in us, not the fetus Langa.
Yeah.
Yeah. Steve is Langa.
Yeah.
Uchichelano.
Cedric Cars. Whoa. The man of the match, my brother.
No, many for the match.
Chance. We asked my brother Guti Kona, is Stellenbosch fairness winner 30,000 rand your goal yaga Titans.
Ja, and in Bonanga Steve. For me stress for you.
Oh, stress,
I
man.
stress bra. Stress bra. How come she Timmy Salanga? She